Okay, currently we are not validating our input request, so let's do some validation. So validation, I'll just comment this out. Okay, so here we'll do this validate. We'll validate all of our requests. Yeah, request, and we'll give a validation rule here. So the name field should must be required. Okay, so another one, the size should also be required. Okay, so we shouldn't create product without any size, and the image field should be of type image. Okay, and also mime type will be png, gif, sorry, jpg, jpeg. Okay, yeah, so that should work. And another max size should be, okay, let's make it 10,000 kb for now. Okay, so it's mimes. Okay, I think validation is in place. Okay, so let's test this out. So if I try to submit without posting any name, it should redirect me back to here. Okay, so it is redirecting me back to same page. Okay, so if I pass anything here and if I try to submit, yeah, so it is saying image field is not available there. So one thing what we can do is let's go to the products, create product. So if you want any field to be nullable, you can just make it here like nullable. Okay, so it will not throw error this way. Okay, if there is no value, like in this case. Okay, so after changing here, you need to remigrate that. Okay, php artisan migrate refresh, it will just roll back and remigrate everything. Okay, so if you do not have much data, you can do that, you can do this, otherwise you have to just create new migration with new table. Okay, so now let's test this out. So this time will not supply any value for image. Okay, so I think our login session expired. Okay, since we reset that, we have to create new data. We shouldn't do that. Okay, let's test this out. So it is redirecting back, and yeah, so it is redirecting us to okay. So in products controller we can make this required. Okay, so same thing, I think it is in place. So let's test this whether it is accepting any other file or just image. So if we provide this another file, it shouldn't pass the validation. Yeah, it is doing exactly intended. So now we'll pass image, jpg image, it should pass. Okay, what's the error? Okay, category id, we didn't select that, we need to select that. All right, yeah, so it's passing the validation, and if you see in database you can see here. Okay, so previously we didn't pass anything, so it created null, so this is the latest data. Okay, so next we'll add here index to create product, so we'll do that in our side nav. Okay, after the validation is done, we need to create the index page where we'll be showing all of our products. Okay, so let's create a view. Let's call this let's use sort and form return view, and the name of view will be admin dot inside admin product dot index. Okay, so yeah, so that's all right, and we need to pass the products. Okay, so products, so products will be pulling from product table. So for now let's pull all of them. Okay, so we are pulling all products, and we'll be passing here compact and variable name products. Okay, so let's create this admin product index inside resources views admin product here. So let's save it as index dot bleed. All right, cool. So now we'll get rid of this and products. Okay, for now just use list item for that. List item, I don't want to waste time on all graphics UI thing. Okay, so for now just test our functionality whether it is working or not. So let's give it a name, s3 name of product will be, so we'll be looping through at the rate for each. So for each products as product. All right, so name of product will be product name. Okay, so we'll end the for each here at the rate end for each. So one thing, instead of using for each, you can use for else. Okay, so what this will do is, if there is no product, it will show empty rather than throwing error. Okay, so only thing you need to add is here empty, and then s3 no products. Okay, yeah, so that's cool. Let's yeah, so let's see that whether it's working or not. So here let's see products, yeah, name of product, yeah, so at least we are getting data. Cool. Okay, so main thing we want to do is we want to pull that in our front end. Okay, so here we want to pull the data, everything from our database. Okay, here, so Yeah, so let's do that. So the product listing is in our front. Yeah, search. So here we are pulling the data. So we have to pass the data here in our search, so that we'll be doing from front controller. So search here, we need products, let's call it search for now, because this is okay. Product all, and we'll pass it here, compact search. Okay, so let's go to search.blade. Okay, you can see here we got column, like lot of column. Let's just keep one and delete everything. Okay, so we'll just keep one and delete other. We'll loop through one. So yeah, for else shirts add shirt, and we'll so add the empty. If it is empty, we want to show no shirts. @ and for else. Okay, so here we'll do, okay, let's just expand everything. So where's the name? So it is the name, so we'll replace this with our name, shirt name. And oh, we missed the price, we'll add that, so it will be the description. Okay, so for now let's just put this price, we'll add this in a moment. So here we need to put the URL. So this will be the URL to images, and the name of images will be coming from shirt image. All right, yeah, so this name, so it will be images slash that name will be shown here. All right, cool. So let's test this out in our search. So if we go to search, okay, so we are getting search. So here is no image, that's why we're getting it. So I think we need to make images must. Yeah, at least we are pulling other images. Cool. Okay, price should be here, not down here. And here we'll give the description, shirt description. Okay, as we forgot to put price in our table, we'll do that now. So although you can go and just refresh that migration by adding that. Okay, so I'll show you another method. So PHP artisan make migration, and you need to name it as add price to products table. Okay, so you have to give flag called table, and the name of table is products. Okay, so let's create that migration. Yeah, so add price. Let's go to that table, add price. Okay, so here, so we need to do is table string, so price will be string, so let's give it name price. Okay, so table drop drop column. Okay, so column name will be price. Okay, so now let's migrate. PHP iteration migrate. Let's see it in our products table. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, it added price here. Yeah, it's cool, it doesn't matter. Okay, also let's roll back, migrate, roll back. Yeah, now it should remove that. Yeah, I need to refresh here. Yeah, so it removed the price from here. So what you can do here is price after, so you can give a name of the field after, so after which you want to show price, so size. Alright, so now let's migrate once again. PHP artisan migrate. Cool, refresh it. Okay, okay, you can see price here. Alright, after size. Cool, so we need to add that in create as well. So size description. Okay, we'll call it price. Cool, so yeah, so that's good. So here store will add the price as required as well, because without price it shouldn't be product. Okay, cool. So this is how you alter if you missed anything. Okay, I think this will be helpful. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, I added couple of data to our database. Okay, 4 data, so that it will show correctly for now. Okay, so let's fix something some little bit here. So we need to put $sign in front of it. So go to search. Where is search? Okay, so here inside, so price, we'll put it $sign here. And next we have to put these in front page as well. So down here 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go to the index page. So no, front index. Okay, that was home page. Okay, so here. All right, so we got 4 and we'll delete them all. And what we'll do is same thing at rate for else. So shirts as shirt. Okay, at the rate. Okay, so here what we'll do is we'll chunk the results, chunk CHENCK, yeah, we'll chunk the 4 results, because we will be showing only 4 shirts here. So out of the shirts we'll just get the 4 results and we'll show it here. Okay, so we'll do same thing here. Okay, why don't we just copy from here? All right, yeah, let's just copy whole row. Okay, so yeah, so only thing is to chunk that out. Chunk 4, and we need to go to the front controller and we need to do same thing here for index, and we'll put that. Okay, yeah, so let's refresh. Okay, it looked like some typo there. It's CHUCK. Sorry, where was that? Home. CHUNK, chunk, nuts. Okay, what we need to do is we need to go through this chunk. Okay, so again we have to loop for each chunk as product for each. Okay, now it should work. Again I did same mistake. Chunk, what is that happening? Sorry guys. Shirt. Okay, it's good thing it is giving you feedback. Alright, so now it's working, so we'll continue this in our next video. Bye.